I'm pissed off at you again. Jeez. Why is this side not working? Hello? Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This is the second time that I will be filming this video, which is funny because the other Dyson video that I posted, the Airwrap video, I literally filmed 2 videos and posted 2 videos. It was a whole thing. You guys remember that, right? So we have another Dyson item. It's always a good time, really expensive. They are famous for vacuum cleaners, hand dryers, and such. And now they got into the world of beauty and really have just done a very good job. Very, very, very expensive, but their products have the kind of technology that for the most part stands up to the hype. Now, this one, I am not so sure. I'm like ready to do some bicep curls. Like it is like, it's heavy. I really hope my natural deodorant's probably failing me. It sucks. Anyway, yes. Okay, so this is a workout. I imagine that your arm would get really tired with how heavy this puppy is. So the reason that I'm filming this twice is because yesterday I had the bright idea to do an unboxing of it. In my head, I heard you guys from that first Dyson Airwrap video of read the instructions, really educate yourself. And so my thought process was like, I'm still gonna do the full unbox, the first look, like the excitement, like the whole thing. And then I will make sure that I read all the instructions from like start to finish with this $500 flat iron. Did I mention it's $500? Why? That's a lot of money to straighten your hair. Anyway, I did the unboxing and it just was bad thing after bad thing after bad thing after bad thing. Hold please for sound. Oh my gosh, you can see I have an iPad back here. What? Is this really cordless? Oh, you can curl your hair with it too. Okay, so I may have gone ahead and screwed this entire Dyson video right up. What do you think? I straightened it. Do you think it's worth the money?
I literally can't tell the difference.
Good, I haven't straightened anything. So something that they do say online is that you should let it charge the full battery and then you will be good to go, because something about this guy right here, it's cordless. That is a nice part of this flat iron, because I don't know about you, but personally, I really feel like the cord gets in the way, like it can just cause problems. I actually have a very horrifying flat iron story, and it involved a cord. So let's go down memory lane before we get to the actual like demo portion of this guy. It's really cool, by the way. It makes all sorts of like weird chirping noises and see. So I had a friend flat ironing my hair and I was like, oh, be careful of the cord. Like, please, like I don't want to get burnt. And literally was like, what? And like something got caught on the cord or something. And it literally went on my hand like this. I am not joking you, for a minute. I still have like a slight scar there. Totally just like the kind of pain, because like your skin gets kind of like pulled off when it's like a hot plate like this. So that was my like nightmare story with a flat iron and a cord. So when I see this, I'm like, oh, that is convenient, but it is expensive. It is super heavy. I will say this, okay? I did need a flat iron up here in Seattle, so there is a need. Did I need to spend $500? No, I did not. Let's go through the detail and then let's straighten the hair. I have my hair in a braid because I kind of wanted it to get a little bit wavy. I wanted to see exactly how straight I could get it. It says that it has this like rounded edge, like these little guys on the side. Somehow they're calling that like a curved edge where it's just gonna make your hair look perfect and sleek. You can curl your hair with this by doing the twisty thing. It's nice that they have this closure on the side. So for travel, you got this going. You also have your travel bag. That's not a huge selling point for me. gonna be honest. When you turn this on, there's the battery, shows you right here, very futuristic. You get to press up for 330, 365, or 410. So the technology and the reason that's so important is because we've all seen those videos where someone will be straightening their hair and like it will snap off, you know, like I've done that. Oh my God, I've done that. I had bleach blonde hair by mistake. I went into a salon, like saved all my money and like wanted a haircut like Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen. How embarrassing is that? I really wanted that like choppy like hair bob. And the lady thought I meant the color. So she like turned me into a platinum blonde. It looked terrible on me. And when I would curl my hair, straighten it, it literally was like gummy. It'd be like, meh. That was a whole hard couple of years. Anyway, bleach, man. Eesh. So there is a reason for monitoring the amount of heat that you place on your hair. It's not just like 2 plates, they're metal, they're hot, $12.99, drugstore, yay. You know, so there is more than meets the eye with this. The Dyson Corrale straightener is the only straightener with flexing plates that shape around your hair, gathering it neatly together on each pass. This extra control means you can achieve the same style but with less heat, and therefore half the damage. It also means enhanced styling for reduced frizz and fewer flyaways. Before you use it, charge it. Cool. Okay, so there's just not a lot of added oomph or direction. It's really the way the plates are. It's the way the heat is it's the way the heat is distributed. In a very similar theme to the hair dryer, this does monitor the temperature 100 times a second. Is there a robot living in my flat iron? What is that? 100 times a second? Who can do anything in a second? What does that even mean? I just got lost in outer space, dude, trying to think of a second. Let's straighten our hair. Let's see just really like how we can sleek this out. So what I want to do is actually gather up half of my hair. I like to start in the back. Now it says that it will hold the charge for 30 minutes. On one hand, I'm like, well, it should hold it for so much longer because of money. Like you pay a lot, it should hold it for longer. But also, I hope that I'm not ironing my hair for 30 minutes, you know? I think someone with a lot thicker hair, more texture in their hair might need more charge. I don't know. Let me know. How long do you guys take to flat iron your hair? I'm just gonna start straightening. I don't know why I needed to announce that. Let's see what happens. Wow, my life has changed. So worth the money. I can't believe it. I mean, I don't know that it's gonna get more exciting than that, you know? Like, it's a flat iron. I don't know, you guys. What do you think this is worth this? I'm really bad at doing my own hair, by the way. Like, I can do makeup for sure. I suck at doing my own hair. I get impatient and then I just take like way too big of sections because I just want to play with makeup more and I'm just uninterested in hair. This is smoothing it out so quickly though. I do have to say that. That's kind of wild. What? I mean, it's not like you guys can feel my hair through the video, but I hope that you can see this side is like bone straight and very silky to the touch. And this side just has that rougher, what I like to call doll hair texture. Sometimes when I use too much product or there's too much buildup or my hair just gets too dry and needs a good trim, which it does right now, it just starts to feel like doll hair. Like that's the only way I can explain it. And sometimes flat irons still like won't fix that issue, that texture issue. I'm also surprised that the heaviness of this is actually not bothering me at first. I really thought it would. That was like my first reaction is like, why would they make a flat iron so heavy? I actually think the reason is it helps you to like have weight and to like pull it through the hair. There's something about it that's actually kind of nice. All right, this is the other weird thing I do when I'm doing my hair. I do kind of like the lower back area first, and then I kind of put one little bun over here on this side. And then what I do is, and I do this with curling as well. Again, I am not a pro. I'm not even gonna pretend to be. It's just what works for me. I am gonna go at the root right here, pull her through. I mean, that is really nice. It's not even cranked up all the way. So I kind of do a little layer at a time, flip it over to the side that I've pinned. Okay, so this is with no product in my hair. I should have used a heat protectant, probably should have used a heat protectant, I didn't. But I haven't put any shine cream, hairspray, nothing at all. Wow, we can really see that I need a bottle of hair dye in a hurry. I feel like my roots are so ashy, and now that, you know, I've been here, you know, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, I'm losing track of all time. I really just am. But anyway, hasn't been high priority, nor should it be. Like, you guys just don't stress out about small stuff right now. I promise you, like, even me making this video is not to encourage anyone to go out and buy a flat iron right now. It's just to play with something fun, pretty, and take like a minute away from some of the chaos, you know? This is kind of insane to me. At first I was like, oh, it's just like a normal flat iron. I don't think I have ever straightened my hair by myself entirely this nicely. Like, you're really able to get at the root, like all those little baby hairs, very easily. It's quick. It does not do that thing where some flat irons, even expensive ones actually, you know, where it gets like kind of caught in the plate itself and like snags at your hair. Or it will do that thing where it doesn't want to glide and it kind of does this. Like, if you use too much tension, it just goes like this, and then you end up with like these little kind of kinks in the hair of the heat. This didn't do that. My hair looks like glass. Stop this right now. Why do they keep making these great tools that are just like so crazy expensive? Also, I noticed that when I was feeling kind of lazy and taking larger chunks, it was still doing a really nice job just smoothing everything out. Love the 3 settings, love that it's cordless, love that it sounds like a little video game, love the color of it. They do have other options. I just really love purple. If you're someone who loves beauty products and you think you want that one investment item, and it's something that you think you'll use all of the time, then go for it. I mean, this is nice. I mean, I just wanna know what they're gonna come out with next. Are they gonna do like some face tools? Like, I would be into that because everything else seems to work so well. I'm kind of shocked. Do you like me with straight hair or curly hair? Leave that in the comment section as well. I am gonna continue playing with this. I wanna curl my hair with it. I think the size of the plate will make it have like, well, let's maybe do just one piece right now. Why not? A bigger curl. Did you guys know you can do this with your flat irons? Not just with this one, but if you pull, ooh, ta-da. And then you have this like nice kind of loose, ooh, that, oh shoot, that is nice. I'm into it, I like it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was not sponsored, so yeah, that's that. I hope that you guys are having a great day wherever you are. I'm sending you so much love. I am here posting random, you know, reviews still, hair stuff like this. I'm still trying to convince James to do my makeup on camera. Let's thumbs this one up, make that happen. I mean, like, why not? I'm like every day campaigning for it. So make sure you subscribe, ring the bell, come back, hang out anytime. I also have a huge library of videos. If you guys are at home and you want to learn about makeup, or you have a particular brand you want to know more about, I have a catalog of 2,000 plus videos. So you can go to my page, and if you go to my actual page, there's a little search bar. If you put in Revlon or if you put in Tarte or you put in Dyson, you're gonna have all of those videos surface through tags. So that's a really great way to kind of go back in time if you want to learn a specific technique. Basically, there's no need to watch too much news is what I'm saying. So if you need an escape through makeup, which is one of my personal favorites, obviously, there's plenty for you guys to look at. Go check it out. And other than that, go have a good one. I love you, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.